What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 6 p.m.
What time do you go to home? Why do you learn English?
I learning English because it's interesting. Because they're really kind.
Do you dance?
Yes, I can.
Do you cook?
No, I cannot.
How many years have you been learning English?
This is new class, 6th class. Year
మీరు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడాలి.
Yes, sir.
I'm asking questions. You should, అంటే మీ ప్రొఫెషన్సీ ఎలా ఉందో నేను కూడా తెలుసుకోవాలి కదా. I should learn what is your proficiency. I should understand it. Based on that, what are the changes I have to bring after this step. That's why I'm asking the question. So from how many years have you been practicing? 2 years. So you're able to read fluently English?
Yes, sir.
You're able to read with ease?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And with other students, do you speak in Telugu first or English first?
English person.
English first.
Yes, sir.
Exams are you? They have time here. Let them enjoy their childhood. మీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడటం సులభమా తెలుగులో మాట్లాడటం సులభమా? అందరూ ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు అంటే తెలుగులో కూడా మాట్లాడతారు. స్పీక్ అండర్స్టాండ్ రీడ్ వెరీ వెల్. మేడం గారు రాగమ్మా ప్లీజ్ కమ్. You can speak in Hindi here. Give me a lot of feedback on areas for you. We spoke about hospitals, we spoke about beds, we spoke about playground. We spoke about playground is small. Thank you. Material that is displayed here, how much is created by the school, how much of it is school center?
Nearly 70% departments.
Segment. I'm here to talk to the students. This learning madam can
Meeting of the Affairs Department. Your Highness, Your Excellencies, Presidents, and Prime Minister, Your Excellencies, honored to have the opportunity.
सुप्रभात सबको, मेरा नाम आसनिया है। मैं KGBB बीबीपट्टनम से बोल रही हूँ। लैंच ऑफ SSLV 3 EOS 8 स्थापित करते हुए अपना स्मॉल सैटेलाइट लॉन्चिंग पेज जो कि Good morning everyone. My name is Sonia. I'm studying in 9th class from KGBB बीबीपट्टनम.
There was a boy named Ethan. Ethan was in grade 3 and speaking about science. He used to.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shalika. I'm studying 10th class at KGBB.
why do you want to become a doctor? What made you think about becoming a doctor? ఇంట్లో చెప్పారని you wanted to become a doctor or did it interest you? Or you just felt you wanted to do it? కంగారు పడుతున్నా. You just felt. Together? So what is the goal? Getting up a Jai Hind. पूरे दिन आओ के अंदर कुछ कुछ अंदर I don't believe that. I have a 9-year-old boy who's in 4th class. I don't believe it. Any lab, no devices. Computer lab, any doses are very good. So you will do a computer lab for sure. Okay, all the best. Bye. All the best.
Bye.
So wait, do you know about BrahMos?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain what is that?
BrahMos, sir. It is a missile, sir. It is made by India only, sir. Its range was 45 kilometers.
I don't know. So I can't.
Russia and India. This range is 450 to 500 kilometers. It is supersonic missiles.
What do you mean by supersonic?
It is fastest. This is
This is no paper.
sir. This is Akash missile, sir. This range is 4.5.
But did you know dual purpose are being fashioned? English का मारता सुलभ होगा, तेरे को मारता सुलभ होगा. There's nothing as a right or wrong answer.
Missiles, sir. Range 300 meters to 9 kilometers. Speed 686 meters per second.
The land runner, this is the lander. Lander అంటే ఇక్కడ ల్యాండ్ అవ్వాలి కదా. ఇది మనం కొనుక్కుందా లేదా ఇది సిఎస్ఆర్ కింద వచ్చింది?
चलो 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 आगे चलो चलो भैया चलो.
ఎంతమందికి ఉండాలి రూల్స్ ప్రకారం
అబ్దుల్ కలాం
మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు ఇప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళు
ఇచ్చారండి డ్రైనేజ్ పక్కకి ఇచ్చేసారు చాలా పెద్ద సమస్య సార్ ఇదే మనకి
పిల్లలతో మాట్లాడడానికి వచ్చాను మీకైతే నేను ఆల్రెడీ అయిపోయింది పిల్లల్ని అడిగాను అందరూ బయటకు పంపించి పిల్లలతో నేను మాట్లాడాను చాలా ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఇచ్చారు మీరు చూస్తారు ఇప్పుడు